Alright, next boat that we're going to be looking at is the Stealth Wake, made by ProBoat and sold by Horizon Hobby. This is a pretty cool boat. I love it because it just works. I plug in the battery, turn on the remote, and it is mean. It's pretty quick. It's not as fast as the FT012 that we just did a review on, but it is a brush motor, so you know it can only go up to about 20 miles an hour or a little bit less than that. It came with a 24 milliamp battery, but we upgraded to the 4500, so I can get a little bit more playtime out of it. So yeah, let's take her out in the water and see how she does. Alright, here we have the Stealth Wake, made by Horizon and sold by ProBoat. It's about 23 inches long. It's a pretty well made boat, and it gets up on plane pretty quick. And the turns on it are the best I've seen out of any boat. I mean, it can just make the sharpest turns like on the fly. And that's what I love so much about this boat, because you can have a lot of fun with it, and just do a lot of cool tricks, or just, you know, race it for fun. But yeah, so that's the Stealth Wake. I also love the controls on it, just because you can really, let's say you want to, you know, let your kid play with it, you can have the adjustment to lower the speed on the boat, so it doesn't have to. So even if they pull the trigger full throttle, you know, it can only go 5 miles an hour, or its max, which is I think about 18 to 20. So that's really a nice feature to have on that kind of a remote, because you normally don't see that at all. Here's more of an inside look.